They call me George Foreman, I hit the ass with the grill, if they got a flame on the ass. I'm so fucking hot, and I got my boy dog, and he's chilling by my side, and I got no worries. My vision looking kinda blurry, and I'm smoking on the scurry, scary, but yeah, got my shit looking like a bud. I don't give a damn, yeah, I'm shooting like Bud, motherfucking good. I'm chilling like a Spider-Man, I'm killing on my web. No fucking sense, I earn my fucking dollars. I got my bitch hollering like my name is Dollars. Read let me stop, I'm looking like a seed. The girl on my dick, and I made her ass bleed, cause I do me. King Kong in this bitch. If you wanna fucking know, throw your ass in the dish. Got no bitch, mama raised, no fucking hoe, and I got a small hand, but I sing them bows, I sing them bows, I fucking sing them hoes. If you wanna know, Jacob, yeah, I am chose, yeah. I'm gonna go far, I'm gonna chill in the bar, ride in a car. I used to have a car, it was a piece of shit. Now I don't have a motherfucking shit. My girl wrecked my shit, now I was like, damn. Now I'm by myself looking like a man. Man, yeah, I'm fucking dumb. I'm a dumb ass, so don't say son, throwing them dollars, chilling back, and them girls wanna holler, yeah. In the studio, acting a fool, for them damn drugs. I want some with some weed, I want some damn bills, I want some damn extras, man, that shit is ill.